Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. This video I'm going to show you that how you can create a Google account in Drive or maybe iPad. Simply just follow all the settings. I'm going to tell that in this video to do that to create your Gmail account. Just tap on a setting and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. Just going back and just going to the Google Chrome and just going to the profile section and just going to the add account and just continue it, and you see that you just have to use another accounts, and you see that the option of create account, just tap on that and it's used for the my personal use. Just tap on that and just write your first name. So I'm gonna select a name of John, random name for you to creating the Gmail, John, and surname and Harry. Just type next and randomly adding the month, name, year. Make sure it's 18 year above, and just go on a mail. Just next it and make sure your Gmail you have to add. Just add the Gmail just like that. I'm gonna add according to my name, John Harry, randomly name, adding randomly, and just gonna next and just type of strong password. Just password of Harry John Harry, random password. Gonna next, and after that you just have to just verify your with your phone number, and also you're gonna skip it. It's see that your Gmail account, your Google account gonna create. You just have to just go to next and see that Google account gonna create after doing all the settings, after doing all the stuffs. I'm gonna tell that in this video. So that's the matter. That's the way you can create a Gmail account. You create a Google account in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.